When it comes to window replacement in Washington, D.C., choosing the right window contractors is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. Experienced window contractors in Washington, D.C. offer a wide range of services, from window installation Washington to window replacement Washington, ensuring that your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient windows available. Whether you're looking for custom windows or vinyl windows, these professionals can guide you through the process, ensuring that your window upgrade meets all your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Washington are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By investing in energy-efficient windows Washington, you can significantly lower your utility bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Window insulation and window sealing are key components of energy efficiency, ensuring that your windows perform optimally year-round. Custom windows. Washington, D.C. offer a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while meeting specific functional requirements. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-hung windows or the modern appeal of vinyl windows Washington, D.C., custom windows can be tailored to fit any architectural style. With a variety of window styles Washington available, you can choose the perfect design to complement your home's exterior and interior decor. Window replacement Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From window glass replacement to window frame replacement Washington, D.C., addressing issues promptly can prevent further damage and extend the lifespan of your windows. Regular window maintenance. Washington, D.C. is key to ensuring that your windows remain in top condition, providing safety and security for your home. Window installation. Washington, D.C. requires precision and expertise to ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. Professional window contractors. Washington, D.C. have the skills and experience necessary to handle all aspects of window installation, from measuring and cutting to sealing and caulking. Proper window caulking, Washington, D.C. is essential for preventing drafts and moisture infiltration, which can lead to costly replacements down the line. Window glazing Washington, D.C. is an important consideration for homeowners looking to enhance the energy efficiency and soundproofing of their windows. By adding an extra layer of glass or using specialized coatings, window glazing can significantly improve the performance of your windows. This is particularly beneficial in urban areas like Washington, D.C., where noise pollution can be a concern. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Washington, D.C. due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our Vinyl Windows Washington, D.C. services offer a variety of styles and colors to match any home design. With excellent insulation properties, vinyl windows are an energy-efficient option that can help reduce your heating and cooling costs. Double-hung windows are a timeless choice for Washington, D.C. homes, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a practical choice for any room. Our double-hung windows Washington services ensure a perfect fit and professional window installation Washington, enhancing the beauty and efficiency of your home.